In this video, I'm going to show you how you can center the content in your web page. For that, I'm going to open the index file from starter file 7.7. Let's see how the web page looks like. It's just a regular web page that we were working on before. Now I want to put all the content in the website centered. For that, first thing I'm going to do is to put the whole things in the body tag into a div tag. So I am putting a div tag with id equals container. You can put any name you would like, and then the end of this div tag is going to be just before the end body tag. So you have a div tag that contains everything inside the body of this website. In Notepad++, if you click on the beginning of a tag, you would see the corresponding end. Now that we have this container as div, we are going to create rules to control its width and also to make it center. So to start a new rule, since it is an ID, you need the pound sign and the name of the ID container, open close curly brackets for your rules. And here I'm going to say that I wanted the width of this everything to be 80%, and minimum width, min width, should be 700 pixel. So I'm going to save it and see how it looks. You can see that the content in the body tag is only in the 80% of your website. Now to center it, you can do that in two ways. One is to say margin left auto and margin right auto. So it's saying that automatically adjust the margin left and right to make it center. So if you run this, you would see that your website is centered, or the web content is centered. You have this 80% width, then you have 10% and 10% here, or it automatically selected that or centered it. Another easy way that is supported in many browsers are margin, you would say auto, and it should take care of it. You may want to check that in different web browsers. So just to make the point that you put everything into that container, I'm just going to put a border around that container, and maybe 2 pixel solid, a color you need to give F00. I'm going to put it as red. Alright, so you would see that you have the border around that container. Now you see that all this text is sticking to the left hand side or left justified. If you want to change that, you can put padding. If you say padding, say 20 pixel, it will go all in all four sides of the website, and you would see that it's not sticking to the the margin anymore, or the border anymore. Or you can change the different style, or maybe make it bigger border, or thicker border. You can do that too. So this is how you center your web page. You put that into a container, in a div container, and then you can center it. Or you can simply go ahead and ID the body tag and then make that to auto.